Hi everyone. Are you confused about your career path? Or you wanted to know what is the best technology in the IT market right now? And do you want to really stand out in this AI competitive world? Then yes, you are at the right place. I have a proper pinpoint solution for you. Give me next 3 to 5 minutes time. I will give you full clarity on what to choose to stay safe at your job desk and in the process of your secured job search. Let's get started. It's all about data. Yes, data is everywhere. Entire IT industry runs on data. Many tools come and go, but the data remains same. Data keeps increasing exponentially. You take banking projects, healthcare projects, telecom projects, e-commerce, social media, research, everywhere, anywhere, data. It's all about data. I want you to invest your valuable time and make sure you get complete grip on the subject in terms of data, not tools, nor process, nor technologies, but data. Why? Yes, the technologies come and go, processes come and go, new tools will come overnight every time, but data stays with us forever. And to process the data, to work with data, we need cloud. In terms of data storage, data computations, data global reach, and data efficiency activities, we need cloud. Further, as the data goes exponentially, we need someone to support big data because of the volume, the velocity, the intensity of your data. We need big data technologies, big data platforms. Yes, I'm talking about the cloud major concepts or the cloud titans, Microsoft, Azure, AWS, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform. You need to make sure you choose one of these three cloud titans to make sure your job is secured, your skill set is safe, and we are ready for any kind of improvisations, technical advancements for next few years down the line. Trust me, this technical skill sets on data stack will always win the game. Azure or AWS or GCP, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Anyone is fine, no problem. Now let me give my points, which one to choose. Let me give my points, okay? My honest opinion from my experience since my first job at Microsoft since 2005. Till date, I have been dating with these cloud technologies. So yes, I have work experience on Azure. I do have work experience on AWS. Of course, not much, but had some considerable footprint on GCP as well. So I feel I am one of the best persons in this platform to provide you genuine advice. Hence this short video. Let me give my points clear. All clouds are really great. Either Azure or AWS or GCP, they have their own beauties, advantages, benefits when it comes to the comparison chart. One of these clouds should be your primary skill set. Either you go for Azure or AWS or GCP, there are two important job roles you can aim at. One is cloud data engineers, other one cloud data analysts. Either you take Microsoft Azure or AWS or Google Cloud, you have cloud data engineers. You have Azure data engineer, AWS data engineers, GCP data engineers. Same way, we have Azure data analysts, AWS data analysts, and GCP data analysts, or simply GCP analysts. Now, which one to choose? Two different questions here. Out of Azure, AWS, and GCP, which one is better at the first place? Out of data engineer and data analyst, which job role or job profile we need to aim at first place? Which technology and which job line or which job stream? Let me give my points here. If you are from previous data stack, like for example, a database administration background or a developer background, if you are from a background that deals with data, then my strong recommendation, cloud data engineering. If you are from non-database platform or non-IT platform or process integration platform, then data analyst can be one of the preferred choice because of the underlying technologies and because of the key takeaways from the job role and because of the daily job routine. I'm giving my suggestions. No doubt, no doubt, Azure is one of the preferred cloud platforms out of all these. Not just because Azure has more regions compared to others, not just because Azure is cheaper compared to others, not just because Azure is easier to operate compared to others. No, it is because of something else. Demand, stability, and the reach in the C sector, corporate sector. Azure has more clients. Azure has more businesses. The number of logins in Azure are more compared to AWS and GCP as on date. The amount of throughput is more. The bytes per second data exchange is more. The service dependencies are more in Azure. Unmatched hybrid capabilities, native integrations with Microsoft platforms, industry leading security with inbuilt Microsoft Defender for cloud, zero trust architecture, strict and cautious cyber security laws at lesser price, and lot more other factors make us love and travel towards Azure. I don't want to be in a defending mode saying something else. No, let me be frank. Azure, AWS, GCP, all three are great. Hence, we are putting them everything in a single chart and talking about them today. Out of these three, my preference, my points, Azure, because of the tick marks you see on my screen, the latest comparison chart as on date. In Azure, yes, now once you decide to step into Azure, now which stream you would like to go for? Engineering or analyst? Yes, for starters, for starter profiles, anything is okay, but engineering better. Engineering is like a back end, better for starter profile. Experience profile from any data stack, engineers in data engineering is better. Experience profiles from non-data stack, data analyst is better. Choice is yours. I am here to provide you detailed step-by-step trainings on whichever platform you choose. You say, hi, SI, I got this profile requirement. This is my target job. Come on, train me. I am here to train you step by step with detailed notes, detailed step-by-step scenario-based activities with all my heart. Either you go for live training or self-paced videos or in-house classroom in our Hyderabad facility, same training, same care and same concepts with same project work for your resume. Further details, let's talk one to one. I will be providing my LinkedIn profile as well as my WhatsApp number in the comment section below this video. Let's connect, let's discuss, let's plan to proceed further. Thank you so much and see you soon in my actual classes. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you all the very, very best. Thank you so much.